guys, did you know that when you're on a weight loss journey, you need to adjust your cooking methods? You need to make some sacrifices, train your taste buds to enjoy certain methods of cooking. Take for instance, you will need to get used to enjoying meals that are not oily, embrace foods that are high in fiber like fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables, they are very crucial in a weight loss journey, as they help you to keep full for a very long period. Just make sure you choose what works for you. For example, in this video, we are making fried rice. I made sure to incorporate lots of veggies. When you're on a weight loss journey, you want to ensure that you choose what works for you. That's the only way your weight loss can be sustainable. Choose the food you enjoy. Choose the fruit you enjoy eating. You don't have to eat apple like everyone else if you don't like apple. You don't have to eat salads. Personally, I don't like salads. I prefer my veggies incorporated in my meals like this. I also love vegetable soups. So that just do what works for you, and everyone will get the same result.